आपके सामने बराबर इसी में मेरे सामने
दीदी राइट में दीदी राइट
एक सेकंड जगह देना ना एक अभी पूरा टाइम मिलेगा आने वाले
Now, without further ado, may I request you to unveil the trident room.
ये लग ऑडियो चालू करो भाई ऑडियो बढ़ाओ नहीं आ रहे
Firstly, thank you all for coming.
अरे इंक्रीज करो ऑडियो लेवल
It's been a very great association. It's a very rare brand, as I think the person making has kept me away all my life.
ये ऑडियो बढ़ाना भाई ऑडियो बढ़ाना
This brand, when it came to me, as I said in the making, it's a very rare category, and I was also surprised that because when you come to think of it, you can't really remember too many brands in this category name-wise. Like you can't really recall too many names. But when I saw their creatives, when I saw the kind of stuff that they had, the quality of the products, and what they had in their mind, how they wanted to come in the market, what exactly they wanted to convey in their campaign, I was really impressed. And that's what exactly kind of made me associate with this brand. Firstly, for me, quality is a very important thing. And when it comes to your bed linen and your bath products, or your towels, your bathrobes, your bed sheets, your quilts, your cushion covers, these are the things that you need to be like really comfortable to your body. You don't want them to be harsh on your skin, you don't want them to be dull in color. We actually kind of spend a lot of time, a lot of intimate moments, as I would say, in our with our bathrobes, with our, like for example today I was actually getting my makeup and hair done in my bathrobe because it's just easier to get into your outfit then. And whether the bed sheets are concerned, I always like them to be very comfortable. I often while sleeping kind of cover my face with it, so I need it to be like very comfortable and very soft to my skin. And so the Trident products are really comfortable, they're very soft, they're very good quality. They have a wide range. They have organic products as well, made from bamboo and organic stuff. They have a range for a little Indian sort of styling. They have the Indian embroidery as well. Those towels actually sometimes don't look like towels because they're so pretty. And they have their luxury range as well. So there is a huge range. It is very affordable. I can actually go on and on speaking about it because I've actually had the tour and each and every detail of it is stuck in my head. But yeah, talking about the campaign again, Trident, they had a thing, an affair to remember. So as I said, it's about moments. It's about those dreamy moments that you spend in your towel, in your bathrobe, in your bed sheets. It's about the fun moments that you spend on your bed, just laughing away, just being in your own zone, your own thoughts. Like you can see, it's not really posy as a model campaign posy. It is more about just being in your own space, just being comfortable, and the little moods that we all have when we have our bathrobes on, like we're thinking, or we're just thinking about something and smiling while we're taking off our towels and having a cup of coffee, just very light and very intimate. So yeah, that's Trident, that's their campaign for you guys, and I really hope that you all like it. And I started using their products and I'm in love with them, so I hope you use them too.
Thank you so much. So Kriti, if you have to pick your favorites from the Bath and Home Linen collection, what would they be?
It is very difficult to pick one, but they have these bathrobes that have a very beautiful and pretty lacy embroidery on the neck, which I really liked, and I've never seen something like that before. Also, they have certain towels which have a sort of embroidery or a print, I don't know what to call it in technical terms, but it is very pretty and it doesn't really look like a towel sometimes. We've actually shot it like I was telling them, is it a towel or is it like a shawl or something that I'm wrapping around because it's so pretty. So that, And today I saw the kids section, which is very cute and adorable. Even there, we have special towels for gymming, because usually gym towels, we don't really have gym towels. So usually what we use is either the hand towels that we have in our bathrooms, which are not that long that you can wrap them around your neck. They're very short. So they have the perfect size and very good colors in it. So yeah, there are too many of them.
Perfect. And Kriti, if you happen to walk into your bedroom, which would you prefer? Geometric designs or floral designs? And if either or, what color would they be?
I like pastel shades. I like a little brighter colors. He likes more white. I'm not so much of a white person when it comes to my bed sheets. Yeah, I prefer geometric to floral. But I like the self designs, the ones that like very light stripes, which you can't even make out that there's a design to it. But yeah, not something very busy, but yet something very young and fresh.
Thank you so much, Kriti. Ladies and gentlemen, I now open floor to media for questions.
Mr. Gupta, how big is the towel and bed sheeting market of India, and what is your target in the first year?
Well, I think there are two kinds of market. One is the organized sector, second is the non-organized sector. So the organized sector is really growing. I think possibly if all well goes well, in next 5 years, once supply chain works well, possibly the organized sector can really touch about 5,000 crore worth of branded products in home textile in India very easily. It can go further depending how nicely you brand it and how nicely you placed it.
What is your target as such?
1% at a time, please. Someone was saying something. Yeah.
Let me continue. I have a question which is still unanswered. What is your target during the first year?
Okay, so target for the towels, possibly on the entire home textile, we target about 200 crores the very first year, and possibly in next 3 years, the two targets. One target is what we sell it, and secondly, what the customer buys it. And you know, it's fairly a big question to that. Our target to reach 200 crores in this year, and maybe 500 crores in next 3 to 4 years. That's a target. There's the X-Mill sales, which can possibly add to other areas. Well, it's not only marketing, it gives a complete brand, it range, understanding the psyche of people. It really understands the entire logistics, supply chain, human psyche, work well, and it's practically is a complete science, which possibly Indian companies are taking time to understand, and they're doing very fast and very well in a very good manner.
Okay, thank you. Could we have our next question?
आपसे मेरा सवाल है, the whole journey, your journey in the industry started with ad, and you become a star, hero, Bhakti. Now you are endorsing a brand.
Yes.
How do you see the whole journey of yours? Do you think it's a very
It is. I feel it's very surreal at times. Sometimes the people I used to see on television, on big screens, I'm sitting with them in award functions and I'm feeling, oh my god, is this for real? And I think all that happens with us. I've done TV commercials, I've done photo shoots as a model as well. But I think when you're doing it as a celebrity, it is altogether a very different feeling, because you also feel very responsible for it. Because you know that now people know you and they kind of look up to you in a certain way. So whatever you endorse, whatever you tell them that this is good, it better be good. So as a celebrity, you have to kind of make sure that what brand you choose, you actually deliver. Yeah, you have to be a little selective about it.
I think during the course of interaction, somebody from Reddit said, you are young, the company is young. Even we agree you are young. But do you think there's more to go, especially in the Bollywood industry, people know you, there's so many films you're doing. आपको लगता है कि शुरुआत हो चुकी है जो होना था प्लीज लगता है
अगर आप टेक्निकली देखो तो मैंने एक ही किया
यस वी एग्री
सो अभी तो मैं स्टार्ट ही कर रही हूँ लिटरली एंड अंदर से आई डोंट थिंक मैं और 4-5 साल तक फील करूँगी कि हाँ आई एम देयर आई लाइक feeling like a newcomer. I think it always kind of makes you feel that there is so much more to do. Hi.
My question is quite similar to what he was asking. You just entered and you've already bagged a film with Shah Rukh, Dilwale, and you were doing a film with Akshay to sing his play. Somehow didn't work out. So my question to you is, there are so many other female actresses who've entered and they still haven't managed to get what you have. So what do you think gives you an edge over them?
I think I can't really compare myself with other people. There are too many things involved. I feel destiny also plays a big role. But I believe that what I have achieved or what I'm getting, firstly I feel very blessed because coming from a non-film background, to be able to make your space and have good projects coming to you is a big deal. I feel blessed for that, but I also feel that it has to be a mixture of talent, hard work, a lot of hard work, and then a little bit of destiny and luck. So I guess where the competition strikes right, then you tend to go forward. That's what I have to say.
One more question.
Can I just add, my experience with Ritik was I get to find such a humble human being, such a nice human being. That's one of the, all three elements are there, being such a human being. Celebrity and a human being both are, if they both converge together, they're the best thing one can have.
Kriti, we were also hearing that you have been approached to play Sakshi Dhoni in the Dhoni biopic. Is that true and has that been finalized?
Firstly, I don't think this is a very good platform to talk about films. But having said that, I would just say that right now, the only film that I have signed on paper is Dilwale and Farzi. These two are the films that I've signed on paper. I would not want to talk about any other films which I may be in talks with, may not be in talks with, because I don't find that thing very right. Because with any film, until unless you are actually doing a film, you should not really be talking about it.
Okay, so since you're doing Dilwale, now that's
Yes.
can you share some experience? You just completed the first end of the film. How was it working with the two actors there?
I actually get to shoot with them together. So I have actually just shot with Varun Juliet and of course Rohit sir. And the experience has been absolutely wonderful. The first schedule is always, you're warming up to people, you're gelling together. So I think that really happened pretty much in the first schedule. And the second schedule I was really dying to go back and work because it all felt like a family. The whole team of Rohit sir himself, he appears on the outer, he appears very strict and very, quiet, which he is actually, he's that Tomina. But on the inside, he's such a sweetheart, he's a very warm-hearted person. He really takes care of you. And Varun, of course, is very chilled out, very bindas, very naughty, I would say. Is a lot of fun to work with and is a very, very great actor. So when you're working with a good actor, it kind of improves your performance. And we just shot a song in Bulgaria, which has been a fabulous experience, and I'm sure that the audience is going to love the song when it comes out.
Okay, thank you so much, Kriti. Now, Meera, I would request you to kindly not go into Bollywood-oriented questions.
We are not going.
I think I pretty much answered in relation.
Yes.
Okay, Kriti, now talking about the towels, bridal towels,
Yes.
as you said.
Now you're at the point.
Now, I'm at the point. In Bollywood, there is a trend where, makers have used towel as a prop, whether it is Sawaria, Ranbir Kapoor or Salman Khan doing a, what's your take? If you given a choice, whom do you want to give the towel to?
Give it a towel too? I think towel in fact is something which everybody uses, no matter who he is.
Salman or Ranbir?
Why not both? Okay, he also wants a towel.
Thank you.
Alright, any further questions from the media?
To officials from Trident, with all due respect, Kriti, why Kriti Saran as a part of your campaign? Why not somebody else? Kriti, you deserve it, but let me.
Well,
It's absolutely fine. I'll get to hear a lot of good things about Pistol.
It's a great moment of satisfying working with Kriti on this coverage. Really is a great, I'm saying from, it's not the same saying, it's a great moment of working. shooting, photo, or endorsing is one part. When you really start working as a family, you start believing in that. This is very, very rare. It's very rare. And I must say, it's a loving moment to work with her. Let me use this word.
Do you think it will give you more visibility to the company and to the product? Do you think it will give you more visibility and to the product?
But that was a given thought. There was a given thought. So one is when you ultimately the outcome comes. Secondly, what during the outcomes really the process is not. If the process is satisfying, outcomes depends on multiple things. How good we sell, how good we market, and how good we promote, and how nice the products are, and how they launch. There are many things. But at the end of the day, while working, how that was satisfying, I must say is one of the most satisfying experiences for me and my entire team. And I must say, I must give total credit to Kriti. There are certain moments where the shots were decided, but her indulgence into that was beyond the need and beyond the demand of the script, but more the demand of the photograph. She went more indulged than our total team or the creative part of that.
Thank you so much,
Thank you
Mr.
so much,
Gupta.
sir. I would just say that whenever you're working on anything, it has to be a mutual thing. It has to be a mutual give and take. Whether it's films or it's brand endorsement or it's anything else in any particular field. I think it always has to be teamwork, and I really believe that.
Thank you.
Is this launch, is it an announcement for you and trying to move into a world of rock fitting construction, building materials and all that?
Not really, only to the soft like bed sheets, towels, and other things which are used as a home textile, not as home as a home, but home textiles.
Are there any future plans connected with that segment?
Not really. It totally is a home textile fair. It only is a home textile. Future, God knows.
I would just want to say that I think most people are perceiving them to be very, very new in this field, which is not true. They've actually been supplying to the best brands all over the world. It's not only in India. In fact, in India, they're trying to venture in India now. Otherwise, they've been there since a long time. They've been supplying the towels and the bed sheets, which probably a lot of people must be using, but they don't realize it's Trident because it's coming from some other brand.
Some of the towels are being used by the users of the world, but no, it's very uneasy for me to name those personalities and those icons. Some of the towels are being made to order, made to design, made to desire. The users of the world, not for India.
Absolutely, and Trident is a very known brand. We're into almost every segment. So that's one of the reasons I wanted to check whether you're entering this competition of building materials.
So well answered. Could we have our lady out here?
Kriti, how long will you go with this association?
How long will I go? As long as it goes well. I hope to go for many, many more years to come. As they said, we both are young, we both are new, and I hope to kind of grow with it.
Okay, Kriti, as you said, you not like to talk about your movies, but there are reports you have a push for Sultan.
I would not like to talk about the movies, but what?
See, could we just a small
I'm
request?
sorry, this is not really a good platform, so let's just stick to the brand. Let the brand really take the limelight today.
See, ladies, I know you're very excited, but we're not going to be entertaining any more Bollywood questions. I think I'm clear with that. So could we have any more questions?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
All right, so thank you.
Thank you very much, Kriti. Thank you very much for being with us.
Just give us a moment.
थोड़ा आगे आइए ना, थोड़ा आगे आइए।
Left hand side. Kriti, left hand side here.
On your right side. I'm your right side. Yes, straight, ma'am. I'm here.
Ma'am, your right corner.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, straight. Sunil. Ma'am, straight. Ma'am, straight.
Look here, ma'am. Excuse me, look here.
भाई फोटो हो गया, हम बाइट करें?
Just the last few shots. Just the last few shots.
We have practiced a lot of time. We know how to do it.
One second. Even they know how to do it.
अरे नीचे करो भाई.
I think we have to. Get tired. बहुत ऊपर आ गया.
ठीक है अभी रोलिंग.
होम अप्लायंस आप अपने घर में कितना किन चीज़ों का ध्यान रखती है और कितना खुद से एफर्ट देती है.
लुक सेंटर लुक इन कैमरा.
होम अप्लायंसेस की बात करिए.
होम डेकोर अप्लायंसेस.
तो आप कितना खुद से मतलब आप लेती हैं कि खुद से कुछ खरीदना.
Well, yes, of course. I actually shop for the bed sheets for my room myself, whether it is online or if I see it somewhere. And I prefer a little colors. I prefer little pastel shades and nice bright colors because I think it automatically uplifts your mood. और मेरे लिए मेरे रूम की बेडशीट हो या फिर मेरी वैनिटी लैंड की बेडशीट हो या फिर मेरे टावल्स हो, सब कुछ बहुत कंफर्टेबल और बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी का होना चाहिए. आई थिंक इन चीज़ों के साथ हम बहुत वक्त गुजारते हैं अपने घर में एंड दे डायरेक्टली टच योर स्किन. सो इट नीड्स टू बी वेरी सॉफ्ट एंड कंफर्टेबल. इट नीड्स टू बी समथिंग ब्राइट जो आपका मूड अपलिफ्ट कर दे. अपने रूम में घुसो तो डल बेडशीट देखकर आई रियली गेट वेरी पुट ऑफ. Same happens with my vanity van. So I've given my sport boy like a set of nice bed sheets to put in the vanity van whenever I go.
थोड़ा ऊपर करो माइक आ रही है. माइक थोड़ा ऊपर करो यार.
क्या हुआ?
ओके.
या
ओके.
रोलिंग.
कीर्ति टॉवल की बात है. आपने एक टाइगर के साथ काम किया है, आप शाहरुख के साथ करिए, वरुण भी है और जहाँ तक खबरें अप्रोच किया गया है सलमान के साथ. तो आप किसको टॉवल में देखना पसंद करेंगे?
इसको टॉवल में देखना पसंद है. घिनौना चीप क्वेश्चन है ये. आई थिंक सबकी ग्रेट बॉडी है. सो आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ देम आर गोना लुक रियली हॉट in towels, but yeah, that is a very weird question to answer. I'm sorry to say.
Particular one.
I can gift a towel to all of them. I'm sure towel is something जो सब लोग यूज़ करते हैं और जब अच्छी बॉडी है तो of course flaunt कर सकते हैं.
बट मोस्टली कई एक्टर्स हैं जिन्होंने बॉलीवुड में टॉवल डांस किया. हाँ. तो आपको किसका डांस सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद आया? दिस इज क्यों?
किसका टॉवल डांस पसंद है?
क्योंकि बॉलीवुड में काजोल का हो गया, मोस्ट ऑफ द एक्टर्स हैं जिन्होंने डांस किया है.
वेल आई थिंक एक बार
माइक नीचे.
It's like right in my face. 1 second. I think that song of मुझसे शादी करो वो स्टेप हम सबको याद है और हम सब ने कभी ना कभी किया हुआ है किसी ना किसी पार्टी में या विद टावल और चुन्नी और whatever. So I think टावल का बेस्ट यूज़ वहाँ पे किया गया है.
अच्छा कृति, एक चीज़ और जानना चाहूँगी मैं. अब एक खान के साथ आप जुड़ चुकी हैं. ऐसा बॉलीवुड में भी कहा जाता है कि जो भी हीरोइन आती है वो तीनों खान के साथ काम करने का सपना लेके आती है. एक खान के साथ आप जुड़ चुके हैं, क्या आप सलमान के साथ भी काम करना चाहेंगे?
Well, of course, these are the people, these are the actors I've watched all my life on big screen. And कभी कभी मेरे लिए आजकल भी ऐसा होता है कि मैं इन लोगों के बीच में बैठी होती हूँ और मुझे लगता है कि मैं सीरियसली यहाँ बैठी हूँ because I'm from a non-film background and this is something which I had never imagined in my life. I am really blessed to get the opportunity of working with Shahrukh sir so soon in my career, and of course I would love to work with Aamir sir and Salman.
कीर्ति, लेकिन आप शाहरुख के साथ तो फिल्म करी है, लेकिन खबरें आपने बताया आपने ऑन पेपर्स 2 ही मूवी साइन की है.
No, going on and on one thing. I'm sorry, but I can't comment on anything. I'm sorry.
कि सुल्तान के लिए अप्रोच किया,
but I can't comment on anything. I've told you that I've not signed anything on anything apart from Dilwale and Farsi. तो किसी भी और फिल्म के बारे में बात करना सही नहीं है, and I can't comment on anything right now.
So there is a report also Salman wants.
Can we stick to brand issues, please? The brand topic. This is Trident event.
So half girlfriend approach
again.
अच्छा फिल्म आप जो कर रहे हैं दिलवाले, उसी से रिलेटेड सवाल है. जब सिंह इज बिंग छोड़ी थी, किस वजह से
ये एक्चुअली मैं पहले भी आंसर कर चुकी हूँ. डेट क्लैशेस थे. देर आर सम टाइम्स व्हेन यू कांट रियली हेल्प इट. सिंगिस ब्लिंक एक ऐसी फिल्म थी जो मैं बहुत प्रिपेयर करी थी उसके लिए. आई वॉज ऑल्सो टेकिंग क्लासेस बट it was getting pushed due to some reasons, and when finally it was happening, it was clashing with Dilwale. So it was, I believe कि आप जो भी काम करो, जो भी film करो, you should give your 100% to it. So yeah, I felt that I would not be able to do that, and I think Amy will do a fabulous job because I know the character, and she's already looking fabulous in all the first look and everything that's come out.
Guys, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.